everyone, in this video we will see about simple paper puppet. Materials required: A4 size paper, scissors, glue, sketch pens and any waste paper. Take A4 size paper. You can use any color papers also, or you can color the white paper later. Fold the paper into 3 parts. That is, take the long edge of the paper and fold it up a third of the way. Glue the top flap down to hold the folds in place. Rotate the rectangle to its vertical. Fold the rectangle in half. Bring the 2 short edges together. Fold each flap down to edges line up with the center fold. Glue the 2 outside folds down. This is the base of the puppet. Now you can take any waste paper and you can draw the parts. Today I am going to draw a puppy face. Eyes, tongue and ears, and color it according to your wish. Today I am going to use black and red sketch. Black for eyes and red for tongue. Black is used even for coloring ears. Now take the scissor and cut the parts. Now take the base of the puppet and stick the parts accordingly. Use a glue to fix it. Now our puppet is ready. Put your fingers inside it and you can use it